Hi, in this video we are going to see about a Java web application project which is entitled as Online Alumni Management System. Before seeing the execution of the project, let me brief about this project. So we all know alumni are very important for any education institution as they are the proven outcome of that institution. So many of the alumni will be working in different kinds of companies and they'll be having different kinds of knowledge. So connecting the alumni with the education institution and within the alumni are very important for the alumni's growth, institution growth, and for the networking opportunities and the knowledge exchange. But the traditional or the existing systems of the alumni management is completely manual process, or it is a semi-automated process where the records are kept in a paper-based or in a spreadsheets kinds of thing. So that is not a complete automated way where every process of the alumni's operations are integrated in it. So to overcome the issues that is available in the existing system, we have developed the Online Alumni Management System, which will be addressing all the challenges and the disadvantages that is available in the existing system. So this Online Alumni Management System is developed using Java as the core programming language, and we have used JSP, CSS and JavaScript for the front-end part and MySQL for the database part. So here in the proposed alumni management system, we have various kinds of operations that will be connecting the administrator and the alumni with the different kinds of operations, and everything is being centralized these platform of this online alumni management system. So this proposed online alumni management system will be serving as a comprehensive solution for managing the alumni records, facilitating communication and supporting the institution alumni collaboration through a secure digital environment. So all these details have been provided in the abstract part of the project. Next, coming to the existing system, as mentioned, most of the existing system that is used in the education institution is done using a paper-based or semi-digital based only. So alumni records are usually stored in a physical files or spreadsheets or basic databases only. So communication with the alumni generally happens through email, phone call, or printed notice, or the event announcement kinds of thing. And also in the existing system, there is no any option of sharing the knowledge or the job posting related or career related things. So once if an alumni has an opportunity of knowing job posting in their own company itself, they wanted to share that information through email, WhatsApp, or verbal communication to the institution, and then the institution will be posting those details in their circular or their email kinds of thing. In the existing system, the fund management and the fund transactions made for the alumni also is not transparent one. It is a standalone process. So here, whenever the alumni wanted to donate some fund, they wanted to have a transparent system so that they can come to know how the fund is utilized perfectly or not. And that the existing system, there is no feedback collection mechanisms kinds of things. So overall, the existing system heavily depend on the manual process kinds of things. So all these details have been mentioned in the existing system of the project. Next, disadvantages of the existing system. The main disadvantages of the existing system are lack of centralized data management, time consumption, administrative processes, limited accessibility to the information, inefficient communication channels, difficulty in tracking events and activities, no proper mechanism for job posting and approval, non-transparent fund management, limited engagement and interaction, challenges in collecting and managing fund. These are all the main disadvantages of the existing system. So each subheading explain detail about that. Next, let us see about the proposed system. So to overcome all the issues that is mentioned in the existing system, we have proposed the Online Alumni Management System, which is built using Java, JSP, CSS and JavaScript, and with the MySQL database. So here in the proposed system, we'll be having two primary roles. One is the admin, another one is the alumni. So admin will be the main entity where manages the overall operation of the system. So here the first admin will be verifying the alumni whoever registers by verifying those details. So only the alumni who are related to their institution will be approved by the admin, or else they will be rejecting it. So this is to make the system more secure and keep the data more privacy. Once after the successful registration of the alumni, the admin can able to post the details of the events whichever they are going to conduct, or they can able to post the photos or the gallery which is already available. They can able to update the fund details. So the alumni can able to see the event details, gallery details, and they can able to make the fund donation. They can able to post the job post that is already available. So there are various kinds of operations have been developed. While seeing the execution of the project, we can come to know about that. So all these systems have been integrated in a complete digital framework to manage the alumni activities. So all these details have been mentioned in the proposed system of the project. Coming to the advantages of the proposed system, the main advantages of our proposed system are centralized alumni database, faster and streamlined administrative tasks, improved accessibility and transparency, enhanced communication and enhanced engagement, structured job posting and approval mechanism, organized event and gallery management, transparent fund tracking, dynamic data visualization, convenient training coordination, user-friendly and secure operation. These are all the main advantages of our proposed system. Each subheading explain detail about it. Now let us see about the system architecture. This is the overall system architecture. As mentioned, we'll be having two entities, admin and alumni. So admin will be approving or rejecting the alumni after verification of the alumni, and then they can able to manage the events, they can able to manage the gallery photos, and they can able to manage the job post that is posted, and they can able to manage the fund transactions, and they can able to see the feedbacks on the trainings, and they can have the graph analysis. Coming to the alumni entity, so alumni can able to search for the other alumni based on their name, department, year kinds of thing, and they can able to manage their profile, and they can see the events that is posted by the admin and the gallery that is posted by the admin. They can able to see the office bearers that is allocated by the admin, and they can able to see post the job post that is known to them, and that job post will be verified by the admin and it will be approved. After that, they can view the job post that is posted. They can also able to donate funds easily, and they can view the fund transactions which is donated and what are the things that is spent, and they can able to make the feedbacks. So all these details have been saved in the centralized database, MySQL database. So this is the overall system architecture of the project. Coming to the next part, that is the modules. These are all the modules of the project, and you can see the module description. These are all the module description of the project, which explain detailedly about the each module and the each functionality of the complete project. Next, coming to the system requirement, these are all the minimum hardware requirements for the project. And coming to the software requirements, this project can be executed in Windows 10 or 11. The coding language uses Java. Frontend contains JSP, CSS, JavaScript. JDK version is JDK 23.0.1. IDE tool is Apache NetBeans IDE 24. Tomcat server version is Apache Tomcat 9.0.84. Database is MySQL. So now let us see the execution of the project. Now open your Apache NetBeans IDE 24. First, let us import the project to the NetBeans IDE. So just go to the file menu and click open project. Now go to the project source code folder. Inside the source code folder, we have the Alumni Management System. Select this and click open project. Now the project will be imported to the NetBeans IDE. It takes some time. Here you can see the progress. Meanwhile, let us attach the database. So just go to the MySQL Workbench 8.0. Just log in by clicking the local instance MySQL 8.0. Enter the password as root. Now go to the server menu, select the data import. Now select import from self-contained file, select the three dot option. Now go to the project source code folder. Inside the database folder, we have the database, select it, and now click this import progress tab and click the start import button. So now you can see the import completed message. So just refresh the schemas part. You can see the alumni management. So now we can close the MySQL Workbench as we have successfully attached the database into it. Coming back to the NetBeans IDE, the project is also completely loaded. Now let us execute it. So just right click it and then select run and kindly wait for a few minutes. Now it asks for the authentication for the Tomcat server. I will give an admin and click OK. So now it navigates to the browser part where you can see the project home screen or welcome screen with the project title Online Alumni Management System with the details and the features that is available in it. So now you can see the entities admin and alumni. So first let us go to the alumni login. So as I don't have any alumni login, so first let us register for the alumni. So just select this register here option. So it will be navigated to the alumni registration page and you need to provide your full name, email ID, phone number, department, batch year, so which year you have completed kind of thing, and you can enter the current company where you are working and designation and address of yours and the password, and you can select a profile photo and then click register. So now you can see the registration is successful, your account is pending for admin approval. So even though I am going to provide the same email ID and the password which I have used during the registration, you can see that your account is still pending admin approval, because the admin should verify the alumni only if it is a legitimate, correct alumni they can able to log into the system, or else they will be rejecting it, because this is to secure the system from unwanted or the intruders of the system. So let us go to the home page. I'll go to the admin. So just it will be navigated to the admin login page. So just enter the default username and password for the admin as admin and then click the login button. So now you can see the admin home screen showing the admin dashboard, showing the count of the total alumni, total events, total jobs, feedbacks and the graphs. Let us see all this one by one. First let us approve the alumni. So just go to the manage and you can see the alumni. So just select alumni. So you can see the manage alumni screen where it shows the alumni which are registered. Currently I have registered only one, so it is showing the alumni name, the photo, the email ID, department, badge, company and everything. So admin will be verifying these details only if the concerned alumni is they are related to their institution, they will be approving it. If it is some unwanted people, they will be rejecting it. So this is to make the system more secure. So just let us approve it. So now you can see the status is approved. So now let me log out. So now if I go to the alumni login, so now if I am going to enter the same username and password, so now you can see login successful, welcome Jaiprakash, as the admin has approved it. So currently I have created only one alumni, so quickly I'll just create some other alumni also. So let me go to the registration of the alumni page. I'll just create some other alumni quickly. Now I have created various alumni. To make the video shorter, I have not shown this. So now let us go to the admin and approve it. So just go to the manage alumni, and now you can see I have created 5 alumni. So Jaiprakash is already approved. Other one you can see Alice, Bob, Ajit, Vijay. I have created with different departments here, company name and different positions I have created it. So now let me approve the alumni. So I have just created 5 alumni now. So now in the admin part, we can see the dashboard. You can see the alumni is created as 5, now changed to 5. According to the created alumni, this information will be updated and the graphs will be done. So now we can see all the things one by one. First let us, we have already seen about the alumni management. So here alumni management, we can see the list of alumni and they can be approved or rejected by the admin. Next let us see about the events. So just select the events. So here the admin will be updating the event. So just select add new event. So here let me update the event name as alumni meet. So any event you can just update. I'm just giving you a sample of that. So just let me create a date for this and let me select the venue. You can just enter the description of whatever the thing that you wanted. You can just select the event image. So there will be some images for that event. So let us you can just create that images for that, and so now I'm just clicking save event. So now you can see the event that I have entered has been updated with the ID, alumni meet, title, date, venue, description, image and action. So if you want to delete it, you can also delete it. So you can add n number of events here. This is not limited to only one or two. You can add any type of events here. I'm showing you for the sample cases only. So now let us go to the next one, that is the gallery. So in the gallery, admin will be updating the photos or any events or achievements that is made by the alumni. They can able to show here. So gallery photo, I'll just show that alumni fund donation to department. You can name any of the thing according to the image that you are going to select it. I'll just select a photo here and upload it. So now you can see the uploaded gallery photo with the photo, title, description, uploaded date and time and everything. Now let us go to the next one, that is the jobs. So in the jobs, you can see currently there is no any jobs. So the alumni will be posting those jobs, and here the admin verifies it, approves it. So I'll show you that when you're going to the alumni part. Next, the feedback also same, that will be posted by the alumni, that comes there. In office bearers, next let us see about the office bearer. So alumni association or alumni management will be having different kinds of roles like president, vice president, treasurer, kinds of things. So here the admin has the rights to make it the office bearers, and they can assign the dates from which date to which date of which year they will be having as the alumni. So now the sample case, I'll just assign Jay Prakash president. I'll just select the date as 2025 to 2026 and add it. So now you can see the existing office bearers details here. So you can also able to edit the information according to that. You can able to do it. So now let us create some other office bearer. So now let me name the Alice as the vice president. Same date, I'll just give 2026 and add it. So in this way you can able to assign the office bearer. So president, vice president, treasurer. I'm just assigning the treasurer right now. And now let us go for the next role, that is secretary, and add it. And finally let us go for the joint secretary. So in this way you can able to assign the office bearers. So you can add any number of alumni, whoever is listed, it will be shown here. They can select the role and the start date and end date. So now you can see the existing office bearer is allocated successfully. So now in the manage part we have seen all those options. So now in the fund transaction part, you can see the funds that is provided by the alumni will be updated. I will be showing that. And let us come back again to the admin after seeing the alumni. So now let us go to the alumni login. So I'll just log in with the first alumni, JP. So here you can see the login successful for the alumni, and here you can see the dashboard view. So first option is search alumni. So just select the search alumni. Now you can see all the alumni that is updated. It will be shown. Right now I have updated only 5. You can add any number of alumni here. So it will be showing with the photo, their name, department, which batch, company, designation, contact number, email ID, and everything will be shown here. So if you wanted to search with any particular name, for example, if I wanted to search Alice, so you can see that you can search for the particular name, it will be showing. So you can list any number of people here, any number of alumni here, and you can be able to search. So for example, if I wanted to search with the particular department, so if for example it is computer science, so I wanted to search with the computer science, so you can just enter the computer science and you can search it. So now you can see the alumni who are available for the computer science. So here you can search for the batch name also. So for example, if I'm going to do 2012, if I'm just entering 2012, it will be showing who are all the alumni for the 2012. So in this way they can able to select. For example, if you wanted to search based on the company also, you can just search who are all working in company, Google company, who are all working in Infosys. So you can see who are all working in JP Infotech. So you can search based on these criteria that is available. name, department, batch year, and also the company year. So now after search alumni, let us go to the next part, that is the profile part. So here the profile part, the alumni can able to edit their information. They can see their information, they can edit the information, because every year the designation or company will be changing. For example, the person will be working in one company, they may be changing, or the designation will be changing, address will be, so they can able to edit that information, whatever they wanted, their contact number and everything, whatever they wanted, they can able to edit it. Next, the gallery part. So in the gallery part, they can able to see the photo images that is uploaded by the admin. So I have already added the alumni fund donation to the department, so they can able to see what is this photo. I have just given a sample one photo only. You can add any number of photos, so they can able to see what is this photo, how it is done, how it did. Next, you can see about the office bearers. So just select the office view office bearers. You can see the office bearers details. So here you can see the photo of the alumni, what is the role, alumni name, email ID, phone number, department, which year, company, current designation, address, start date, and everything. They can able to see president, vice president, treasurer, secretary, joint secretary, whatever that is allocated from the admin part. The alumni can able to see those information. Next, let us see about the add job option. So because alumni will be knowing the job post of their company, so they will be posting their job. For example, I'll just post as job title as AI engineer, company name I'll just enter JP Infotech, location I'll just add as Pondicherry. So you can just add company links here, whatever. I'll just post a sample company link here, and description about that you can just post any of the description. I'll just put it as short form and just keep post job. So now you can see the job that is posted by JP is AI engineer, company name, location, description, and everything. But here you can see the status, it is inactive. And even if you go to the job view jobs, you can see there is no jobs available, because the admin should verify this, because any of the alumni can also post some spam information. So to overcome that issue, so admin will be verifying and then only they will be posting. So just let us go to the admin part. So this makes the system more secure and also trustworthy. So just go to the jobs part. So in the jobs part, earlier you can see that was empty. Now you can see the manage job. So you can see the job ID, the title, company, the status, and everything. So just they can visit the link. You can see the link, and then you can able to activate it. So just let us click activate. So now the job post is activated. Even if they wanted to deactivate again, they can also deactivate it again. So now let us log out. I'll go to the alumni login now. So this is the alumni JP who has posted. So just let us go to the view jobs. You can see the job posted by the JP is shown here. So other alumni, for example, I'll go to the another alumni. So Alice is the another alumni. So Alice logs in, and if they go to the view jobs, you can see the job posted by the Jayaprakash also shown here. If they click apply now, that will be link will be open here. So in this way, the job postings will be done. So now let us come back to the JP alumni itself. So we have seen about the add jobs and view jobs. So we have seen these options. Now let us see about the events and training. So just go to the events part. So you can see all the alumni can able to see the upcoming events that is posted by the admin. You can see the image of for the event. You can see the event name as Alumni Meet 2026. What is the venue, date, and description, everything will be shown here. Next, coming to the training part. So training part is empty. I will be showing after going to the admin. So next, I'll just come back to the training part again. Let us go to the next one, that is fund. So just go to the fund donations. So here the alumni can able to donate the funds. So let us add a fund called 10,000 rupees. I'll just add a UPI cash or anything. Let's just select the donate. So now you can see your donations made with the ID, amount, UPI, all the details. So now let us log out. I'll go to the admin part. So admin part, if you go to the fund transaction, you can see the total fund now collected is 10,000 rupees, and you can see the total spent and remaining balance. So here admin can able to spend these amounts. So let us select the add new transaction. They can also able to add it and receive it. So you can spend it. So received amount means if an alumni has directly given the fund to the admin, they can also update here. If they have spent some money from the alumni fund, they can also update it. For example, I'll just spend 1,000 rupees for the alumni meet posters event. I'll just enter this notes and click submit. So now the transaction is successful. Now if you go to the fund transaction, you can see the total fund collected 10,000 and 1,000 rupees was spent, and you can see the remaining balance is 9,000 rupees. So here you can see the clear things, that is fund donations made by the alumni and who has spent that and what is the purpose, amount and everything. And now if you also, the people of alumni can also know about the things that is made. So now let me log into the alumni part. So in the alumni part, if they go to the view fund transaction, they can also see the total fund collected, total spent and the remaining balance made. So if another alumni, for example, Bob is another alumni. So if Bob also, if they are providing some fund, I'll just add some 5,000 rupees and give donate. So now you can see the Bob transaction is being updated here. And now let me log out, and if I go to the admin part, so now in the fund transaction you can see the Bob fund, which is updated 5,000 rupees is also updated here. So another alumni also can able to see all the fund transactions that is received and also spent, so that the alumni can able to know the complete details. So now you can see those details here in the fund transaction, and the alumni can able to provide the feedback also. So make some technical events like that, you can provide any feedback. I'm just providing a sample one, so I have posted it. So now let us go to the admin part and see the pending things. So if you go to the feedback part, so you can see the feedback that is posted by the alumni JP, and then now we have already seen about the jobs feedbacks, office bearers and everything. So now let us see about the training part. So in sometimes they will be providing the training, they require some training, for example guest lecture. So like a guest lecture for cloud computing is required from industry people. So this is the requirement, so they can post that in the alumni group, so that they can able to, the other alumni, they can able to see all the alumni whoever goes into the system for the training. So here you can see the training part. So in the training part you can see the available training. So you can see the guest lecture is required for the industry person, and you can see what is the description and when it is posted. So here if the alumni is interested in the training, they can able to select yes, and they can also comment here I am willing to join. Anything, you can just put a response. So this response will be viewed by the admin. So any of the alumni who are interested, they can just post it. So here you can see all the trainings. Here if they go to view responses, you can see the Jayaprakash alumni has posted a response on it, and you can see the responded date and time and everything, so that they can able to arrange a guest lecture or whatever the training that is required to the students or the alumni itself. So all these can be done with these training operations. Next is the chart part. So in the chart part we can see 4 dynamic charts. The first one shows the overall summary, shows the count of the alumni, how many feedbacks received, jobs posted and events occurred, and you can see the total funds here. So with the month showing the how many funds and amount is collected, and you can see the monthly feedback shows the count of the feedback, and you can see the monthly alumni registrations that is made. So these are dynamic charts according to the data that we provide. The data will be provided, the charts will be varied. So we have seen all the options that is available in the dashboard, and the manage alumni events part we have seen, gallery we have seen, jobs we can see, feedback, office bearers, fund transaction, training and chart. So we have seen all the options that is available in the both the alumni and the admin part. So before completion, let us see the frequently asked questions and answers for this project. So first question, what is the online alumni management system is about? So the alumni management system about is a web-based application that allows an institution to manage and engage their alumni community digitally, so that the alumni will be making the networking good and they can able to post the job post and make the fund collection or any kind of opportunities that is available. Next question, who are the primary users of the system? The primary users are admin and the alumni. Next question, what technologies are used to develop this project? So we have used Java, JSP, CSS, JavaScript and MySQL. Next question, how does alumni registration work? So alumni first register themselves by providing their details. So the admin will be verifying those details. One day if it is authenticated, they will be approving it or else they'll be rejecting it to avoid the unwanted users into the system. Next question, how does the admin verify the alumni information? So the admin will be verifying the alumni information by provided details, and after the authenticity they will be approving it. Next question, can alumni edit their personal information? Yes, we have provided that information because every year alumni will be changing the company or position kind of thing, so that updating that will be helpful to the other people. Next question, what is the purpose of the alumni search feature? So the alumni can able to connect with other people by searching based on the name, department, batch, year kinds of things, so that the networking will be made good. Next question, how does the job posting feature work here? So alumni will be posting the job opportunity whichever they are known to them. So admin will be verifying those, and whether it is authenticated, they will be approving it, and other alumni can able to view those job postings. Next question, what can the admin do in the event management? So there will be various kinds of events will be conducted in the organizations or the institution. So the admin will be uploading those information so that the alumni can easily see about those events and they can attend it. Next question, how does the gallery module function work? So gallery is like they will be posting the photos of the events. For example, an alumni would have not attended an event of the earlier one, so they can able to see the photos there. Next question, what is the office bearer model used for? So an alumni association will be having president, vice president kinds of positions. So here the admin will be allocating those positions so that the alumni can able to see the other positions also. Next question, how are the fund donations handled in the system? So alumni can able to donate the fund digitally, so they can able to see the entire funds, who are all paid the funds and what are the things they have spent, what is the total amount is received, on how many spent, and what is the balance amount. Everything can be shown transparently. Next question, what is the training module used for? So in any institution that may require some training for their current people or for their upgradations or the faculty members. So at the time they will be requiring some resource person. So they will be utilizing those alumni itself for that. So that purpose they will be posting that requirement. So alumni who are all interested, they can able to post their willingness so that the institution can easily use their resources. Next question, what kind of charts are available? So overall summary chart, total fund donation chart, monthly feedback chart, monthly alumni registration charts are available, or dynamic charts. Final question, how secure is the system? So we are made the system more secure with the role-based access control, and also admin verifies the new alumni and also job post, and only after the verification it is posted, so the system is more secure. So these are the frequently asked questions for this project, and this is all about the online alumni management system using Java, and thank you for watching.